1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now, his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find their present ages. So, this is another problem related to the age. Okay. Now, we are given two conditions here. In both the conditions, okay, the man's age, okay, it's depending on the son's age. Just look at here. The man's age was 8 times as old as his son. Okay. And here, look at here. It is given now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. So, in both the conditions, we are having the man's age completely depending on the son's age. So, in that case, okay, we will be assuming the independent age. Which is the independent age here? The son's age is independent. So, let us assume the son's age to be x. The present age of the son to be some x. Okay, so therefore, the present age of the man will be what, children? Very simple. See, now. Now indicates this statement is the condition relating to the present tense. Okay, now his age, that is the man's age, is equal to the square of his son's age. So therefore, the man's age will be square of x, that is x square. Okay, so therefore the present age of the man will be x square. Now listen to this condition. 1 year ago, this is their present age. Suppose if here the age of the son is going to be some 10 in the sense, okay, the father's age, it is going to be some 100, okay, for example only, assume, okay. So now 1 year ago, what will be the son's age, children? Will it be the same 10? No. Suppose now if you are 14 in the sense, 1 year ago, your age will be 14 minus 1, 13. The same thing happens to your father's age also. Yes or no? If suppose he is 40 now in the sense, 1 year ago he will be 39, right? So the same thing happens here also. 1 year ago it will be. So 1 year ago the son's age will be. Now he is 14 means previous year it will be 14 minus 1, 13. So now he is x in the sense. Previous year it will be x minus 1. Same way, now if the man is some 40 in the sense, previous year he would have been 40 minus 1, 39. So now x square means 1 year ago it will be x square minus 1. So finalize their ages in both the tense. Now come back to the question. 1 year ago. So this is where the condition which we are going to apply. A man was 8 times as old as his son. So, the man's age is equal to 8 times the son's age. That is, this implies the man's age, x square minus 1. This is equal to 8 times the son's age. This is what is mentioned here. We are going to solve this equation and identify x. That will be the present age of the son. Okay, from which we can identify the present age of the man also. Okay, let's apply the distributive law. This is x square minus 1, which is equal to 8 into x, 8x. 8 into minus 1, minus 8. Okay, now let's bring all the terms one side. So this will be x square minus 1 minus 8x. Minus 8 comes to this side as plus 8, which is equal to 0. So now this will be x square minus 8x minus 1 plus 8 will be plus 7, which is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation. We are going to factorize it. We want 7 as a product of two integers and minus 8 as the sum of two integers. Very easy combo. 7 into 1, 7. We want minus 8. We will subtract and we will give the same sign. Okay. That is, we will add and we will give the same sign. Okay. So minus 7 into minus 1 will be plus 7. Minus 7, minus 1. Two integers of same sign. Add and put the same sign. That's nothing but the subtraction sign. Minus 8. So this will be x minus 7, x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, x can be 7 or x it will be 1. So both are possible cases only. Okay. X is equal to 7 is also positive. X is equal to 1 is also positive. If suppose, okay, if this is going to be the son's age. Okay. If suppose x is equal to 7, then the man's age will be x square 7 square 49. Okay, or else the man's age x square, it can be 1. Okay, now look at this condition here. Say me which condition is not possible. We can very simply identify the son's age and the man's age cannot be the same in both the cases. Okay, so x square is equal to 1. In this case it is not possible. Since it is not possible in this case, it is not possible in this case also, because both the son and the man cannot be with the same age. So which is the only possibility? X is equal to 7 will be the son's age. X square equal to 49 will be the man's age. That's it. Let me show you an highlighter this side. What highlighter? Same equation. Consider here. X square minus 1. Can we write it as x plus 1 into x minus 1? Yes, we can. So this is 8 into x minus 1. See, this equation, which is of the form a square minus b square, I have split it by using the identity. Now, x minus 1 and x minus 1 being multiplied on both sides gets cancelled. So, x plus 1 is equal to 8 is the possibility, from which x is equal to plus 1 goes to that side as minus 1. So, x is equal to 7 is the only possibility. So, you people are able to understand now. If we are using the quadratic equation method, we get the son's age. Both the numbers are positive. So, what do we understand? Since both the numbers are positive, we can apply both the numbers to identify the man's age. Right? So, when we apply and find out the man's age, only after identifying the man's age, we are able to say that x is equal to 1 is not possible. Okay? But here, when we are applying the identity to find out, we are able to identify that there is only one possibility and x is equal to 7 is that only possibility. So, solving the quadratic equation or forming the equation, solving a problem, it can be done in any possible way. It's up to you. Hope you people are able to understand. Thank you.